Alright, I'm sure you're already aware of this Gradeup Super. What is Gradeup Super? This is something superb. Okay, and what is superb about this? It's a great subscription. It's a great subscription for all the courses which Gradeup has to offer for MBA test prep. Alright, what all does it have? It has structured live courses, of course, full syllabus coverage, complete doubt resolution, and expert faculty members. All of us, we appear for these competitive examinations like CAT, SNAP, AXAT every year ourselves. Alright? Okay. Rishikesh Ranjan is asking, can I start today and score 95 percentile plus? You can score even 99 percentile plus. That completely depends on the size of the fire and fight inside you. Okay, that depends on you and not on anyone else, and only you can answer this question. Alright? Okay, what next? As I told you, the series ABC is done on our app every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at exactly 10 p.m. Okay, and I'm sure you have already downloaded our app, haven't you? Okay, if you haven't, it's a great loss. Alright, what next? Please solve this question now. This is the first question. This is the first question of the day. And whether we take any session on series ABC on YouTube or on our app, we always share the questions with you in advance. Okay, like we are going to discuss 12 questions today, and all these 12 questions were already given there in the description, and I'm sure all of you have already attempted those 12 questions. Okay, and if you do not attempt these questions in advance, please do not come for time pass here. Okay, Gradeup sessions are certainly not for time pass. Alright, very good evening everyone. Please answer this question. What's your answer? Option A, B, C or D? Answer and answer very fast. Adarsh Agrawal is saying 2. Mayank Mishra is saying -4. Okay. And of course, all of you are aware that here when we discuss questions, I'm not at all interested in your methods. Okay, I'm not interested in traditional methods. I'm interested in shortcuts. Okay, alright. Mayank Mishra is saying -4, Adarsh Agrawal is saying 2, Alok Kumar is saying B. Okay, Neeraj Mishra is saying answer D. Okay, Ashutosh Pandey, very good evening. Very good evening. Ashutosh Pandey is saying B. What is the shortcut? What is the first thing which strikes you here? I claim that you can get the answer in 1 second. My claim is that you can get the answer in 1 second, and I mean it. It's not a gimmick. Okay, Shivangi Singh is saying C. Alright. Okay. Rishabh Negi is saying option D. Alright. Okay. Some people are saying C. Some people are saying option D. Some people have said option B as well. Okay. Alright. Rishabh, I hear you. I read you. And again, after reading the question, by one careful observation, you can get the answer in 1 second. 1 second, I mean it. It's not even 2 seconds. Okay. Rishabh Negi is now ultimately changing his answer. Okay, alright. I will tell you that how can you get the answer in 1 second. And I repeat 1 second. Look at this. Look at this particular part. 8 by 3. This 8 by 3 is a fraction. This 8 by 3 is a fraction. Isn't that? So here, either here or here, you have to put a value of x which actually gives you a fraction. Okay? And only this will give you a fraction. If you put if you put any integer value of x, if you put a positive integer as the value of x, either here or here, you're certainly not going to get a fraction. So I rule this out. Okay. Now, even if I put -2, this becomes 3 to the power 3 and this becomes 3 to the power 1. So even by putting -2, I'm not going to get a fraction. But if I put x equal to -4, this is 3 and this becomes 1 by 3. This becomes 1 by 3. Okay. So my super shortcut for you is, I repeat, my super shortcut for you is that look at the equation carefully. Okay. It has one part, 8 by 3, which involves a fraction. So you require some fraction, okay, in these parts as well, isn't that? And there is only one option. There is only one option, okay, which will give you a fraction. That is b equal to -4. Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? Okay, that is how it had to be done. All right? Okay. So, shall we proceed? Any question, any doubt? I do not want to do this question, okay, putting equations and all that. I repeat for the last time that looking at 8 by 3, we know there's a fraction, so we require some fraction either here or here as well, and there is only one value of x, which is -4, which will give me a fraction. Because when I say x equal to -4, this part becomes 1 by 3. All right. Mayank Mishra is saying, sir, theta mein negative answers nahi hote. I haven't seen, okay, I haven't seen that thus far, Mayank. Okay. All right. So let's move to the next question then. Okay, what's your answer here? 3 to the power a is equal to 4 to the power b is equal to 12 to the power c. Then a plus b into c is equal to, tell me and tell me fast. Tell me and tell me fast. And if you enjoyed this series ABC, please do like it and share it with your friends. Okay? Please do like and share it with your friends. All right. Answer here. Waiting for the correct answer. Please type in your answers in the live chat. Sarthak is saying D. Nikita is also saying D. Okay. Any other answer? Rishabh Negi is saying D. Alok Kumar is also saying D. Okay. All right. Ram Pratap Singh ji is also saying, okay, no, Ram Pratap Singh is saying something different. He's saying AB. Huh. Okay. Mayank Mishra is saying C square. Okay. Utkarsh is saying AB. So, some people are saying AB, some people are saying option D. Okay. Some people are saying C square. All right. We will need to solve this question, though it can be solved in 30 seconds probably. Okay, for just one reason, that one of the options is none of these. Okay, otherwise that wouldn't have been needed because I can straight away eliminate two choices. Trust me, I can straight away eliminate two choices. Okay. Most of the people have got D. Most of the people have got D, but that is not the answer. D is incorrect, mind you. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it properly. 3 to the power A is equal to 4 to the power B equal to 12 to the power C, say equal to K. Okay, so can I say that 3 is equal to K to the power 1 by A? Oh, I can also say that 4 is equal to K to the power 1 by B. Okay, and I can also say that 12 is equal to K to the power 1 by C. Okay, now multiply 3 into 4, you should be getting 12. So 3 into 4, that is K to the power 1 by A into K to the power 1 by B equal to K to the power 1 by C. Okay, this gives you what? 1 by A, okay, plus 1 by b. Why plus 1 by b? Because powers will get added is equal to 1 by c. So now, of course, this is obvious that a plus b will come here. A plus b into c is ab. Okay, option A. Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? Okay, so this was a simple question, and you do get many such questions in CAT. I believe there are many questions which we are going to discuss here in series ABC. Okay, you will get either the exact question or questions similar to those, okay, on November 29 on CAT. Nikita is saying, sir, I must say you're trying your best to write clearly. Yes, Nikita, thank you. Thank you. I'm trying my best. Okay. So initially I played on this that probably this pen was not working properly. All right. Now they have actually repaired this pen. Okay. So I cannot give even that excuse. But all right. Thank you. I will be even more careful. All right. So here, and otherwise also, shall I tell you something? Two options, using my common sense, I would have or could have eliminated two choices. A into B into C, why would it be BC or AC? Okay, 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, so there would be some sort of symmetry between A and B. Their behavior will be very different from C. Okay, alright, so BC or AC, these two options are highly unlikely, which is why either AB or none of these. Okay. Ankut Verma is saying this is the best session I have found on YouTube. Thanks, Ankut. You made my evening. You probably made my week, my month. All right. So let's move to the next question then. Here, of course, the answer is AB. All right. Do this question fast and tell me the shortcut as well. Come on, do it fast and tell me the shortcut. Tell me the shortcut which can get you the answer in 1 second again. My claim is that you can get the answer, the correct one, in just 1 second. Okay? I believe you can get the correct answer to this question in 1 second. Value of the following summation. 1 divided by log of n to the base 2 plus 1 by log of n to base 3. Like that, so and so forth, till 1 of log of n to the base 43. Abhinav Anurag is saying reversing. Alok Kumar is saying C. Okay, Ram Pratap Singh is also saying C. Mayank Mishra is saying C. Sarthak, there is something about your surname. Alright, Sarthak is also saying C. Nikita Udani is saying D. Ashutosh Pandey is also saying C. Gaurav Nagar is saying C. Okay. Most of the people have said C. Would anyone tell me how can you get the correct answer in 1 second? How can you get the answer in just 1 second? Please tell me. Tell me and tell me fast. How can you get the answer in just 1 second? And but this time you know that is not a false claim. You're actually going to get the answer in 1 second. Abhinav Anurag is saying reverse करके log का property use करेंगे. Nikita is saying as 1 by log A base is equal to log B base A. This is all math, and you know I'm not good at math. Okay, for math you go to Vikas Sir, you go to Pranab Pant. Okay, you go to Ashish Tiwari. Okay, I'm bad at math. Okay. All right, Alok is coming with a suggestion. Look at the question. Look at the question. Do you have E involved in this anywhere? How can there be an E in the answer? This cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer because E is involved. Do you have E anywhere here? Do you have E anywhere here? Do you? Why do I need to solve it? Okay, there are 3 options which involve E, which is not even there in the question. How can you get that as the answer? Had this been an infinite series, I could still understand. That there could be some chance of E getting here. Okay. Now look at the base. You don't have E anywhere. What if it's a finite series with just 42 terms? From where will you get E? From where will you get E? Hatao isko. All of them, they have E. Okay, so this is my answer without solving it. Okay? Alright. Yes, Nikita. Oh, acha. Now, otherwise also this will probably take 20 seconds. Okay, like 1 by log of n to the base 2 is actually log of 2, okay, to the base n. Then similarly log of 3 to the base n. Of course, all of them will get multiplied till where? Till 43. So this becomes log of factorial 43 to the base n. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by log of n to the base 43. Alright. Okay. Hi Rishi Kumar. Okay. Abhinav is saying option calculation cancellation. Bhul gaye the sir. Good shortcut. Alright. There would be many such shortcuts. Okay. Here of course the answer is C. Let's move to the next one. What's the answer here? This also is a simple question. Please tell me the answer here. 8 chairs are numbered 1 to 8. Chair number 1, chair number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 women and 3 men wish to occupy 1 chair each. Alright, 2 women choose the chairs amongst the chairs numbered 1 to 4, and then the men select the chairs amongst the remaining chairs. The number of possible arrangements is not a difficult question. Not at all a difficult question. It's clear with the fundamentals. Okay. Hi Shivangi, please get me the answer. Everyone watching the session, please do get me the answer to this very simple question. Okay. Alright. And here of course, you know it well that every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, we take these sessions on our app. If you haven't downloaded our app yet, please do that immediately after the session. Okay. So 4 sessions in a week, every Sunday at 10 p.m. on YouTube, on Monday, Wednesday and Friday on the app. Yes, what's the answer here? Nikita is saying C. Rishi Kumar is also saying C. Ankut is saying D. Ram Pratap Singh is saying D. Rishi Kumar is saying C. Okay. So mostly people are divided between C and D. Okay. Mostly people are divided in between C and D. Almost half of you, of all the people who have typed in the answers, half of you have got C and half of you have got D. Okay. All right. So the answer is what? Okay. Let us solve it together. There are 8 chairs. Okay. So when it comes to the women folk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. When it comes to the women folk, okay, they have to select 2 chairs out of these 4. So it's an arrangement of 2 people in 4 distinct positions, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that of course would be 4P2. Okay, so let's say once women have occupied 2 chairs, let's say they have occupied this and this. How many distinct positions are left now? Now 6 positions are left. Okay, and on these 6 positions you have to arrange how many men? 3. That can be done in 6p3 ways. So your answer should be 4p2 into 6p3. Okay. So of course this is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is incorrect. Okay, and your answer is none of these. Option D. Okay, so the actual answer is 4p2 into 6p3. Undoubtedly. Undoubtedly. And this is a simple question, I believe. What do you believe? Okay, how many of you are watching Pakistan's scores in the ongoing test match in between England and Pakistan? Pranab Pant is definitely doing that. I'm confident. Is there anyone else also who is doing that? Just concentrate on this. Anyway, that match is very insipid. Most probably Pakistan will lose within 4 days. Okay. All right. Now, even if I do not wish to use this PC whatever, okay, I can still do that. The first woman can take any of the 4 seats. Okay. The second woman can take any of the remaining 3. All right. So women are seated. Women can be seated in 12 ways. How many seats are left now? 6. So the first man can take any of the remaining 6. The second can take any of the remaining 5. The third can take any of the remaining 4. Okay, so the answer is 12 into 120, which is 1440. Any doubt? Abhinav is saying, nahi dekh raha match, life important hai. Great. Alright, Utkarsh is saying that he has already shared this session with his friends. Good. Alright, okay. So if you're liking the session, okay, just like it and share it. Alright. And of course, please keep concentrating. Here, of course, the answer is D. What next? Get me the answer to this question. This also you can get in 5 seconds. Come on, do it fast. Come on, come on. Do it fast. A, B, C are in a GP. Then B plus A divided by B minus A plus B plus C divided by B minus C is equal to what? What's the answer? And how fast can you do it? So there are 2 things. One, getting the right answer, and second, getting it, okay, getting it very fast. Rishi Kumar is saying A. Alok Kumar is saying D. Utkarsh Srivastav is also saying D. Okay. Ashutosh Pandey is saying D. Nikita Udhani is saying D. Ankut is also saying D. Thanks. Ashish Jha. Thanks. Okay. Alright. I do not think I should be investing, or rather we should be investing much time here. Okay. So let me tell you the correct answer. But before I tell you the correct answer, okay, let's use one technique, okay, to get the answer. This is given that A, B, C are in a geometric progression. So can I take A equal to 1, B equal to 2, and C equal to 4 and check what do I get? Okay, so 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, okay, plus 2 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 4. Whatever value I get, that should be my answer. So 3 divided by 1, this is equal to 3, and 2 plus 4, 6, 6 divided by minus 2. Oh, so 3 minus 3 equal to 0. This is my answer. So of course, option D is my answer. Okay, only option D. Any doubt? If I put A is equal to 1, B equal to 2, and C equal to 4 in the given equation here, okay, I can easily see that the answer comes out to be 0. That is how I will do it. Simple. Okay, keep it simple. Alright, Math Mishra is saying 12 ka 4, 42 ka 1. What is that? 12 ka 4 and 42 ka 1. At least you're not saying 1, 2 ka 4. Okay. Alright. So, shall we move to the next question then? Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? Ritesh Jha is asking, can we take C equal to 3? How can we take C equal to 3? If we have taken A equal to 1, B equal to 2, and C equal to 4, that is for a reason. Mind you, A, B, and C are in a geometric progression. So 1, 2, and 4, they're in a geometric progression. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. But 1, 2, 3, okay, are not in a geometric progression. Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? We took 1, 2, and 4 because they are in a geometric progression. You could have taken, okay, 3, 9, and 27 as well. You could have taken 3, 9 and 27 as well and still you would get the same answer. Alright? Okay. Any doubt here? Shall we move? Okay, so let's move to the next question. Here, of course, the answer is D. Okay, solve this. And here also there's a shortcut. 2-second shortcut awaits you. Come on, do it. And do it fast. I can, again, otherwise also this can be done probably in 15 to 20 seconds. Alright. But there are 2 stupid options which can be removed easily. Okay, can you find those 2 stupid options? Sarthak Badlas is saying C. It's dangerous to take his surname. Mayank Mishra is also saying C. Vinay is also saying C. Sairam is also saying C. Ashutosh Pandey, Alok Kumar and Soumya Bhagwat. No, Ashutosh Kumar and Alok Pandey are saying D. Okay. Alok Kumar is saying A and B out. Okay, what is N? Alok. Okay. Ashutosh Pandey is saying A and B. That is, these are the most stupid options probably. Sarthak is also saying that A and B are stupid. Okay. Ankut Verma is saying D. He probably means that D is the answer. Okay. Alright. How do we solve such questions? How do we solve such questions? We all know, and in fact, we get such questions for the first time when we are in class 7 or class 8. Okay, how do we do it? We write 1000x equal to what? 2357, okay, 0.357, and this will keep recurring. And why did I multiply this with 1000? Because there are 3 numbers, 3, 5 and 7, which keep recurring. Alright, so the idea was to shift one set of 3, 5 and 7 to the left. Similarly, we say x equal to 2.357. Alright, just take the difference. What do you get? 999x is equal to 2355. 2355. So of course, this is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is correct. Okay, but I never needed to do all this. I never needed to do all this. I will tell you why. Of course, now we know the answer, that the answer is 2355, okay, divided by 999. In this adjustment, whenever you do this, okay, you cannot get 1001. How can you get 1001 in the denominator? Okay, you can get 990, you can get 990, you can get even 900, okay, you can get 999. So in the denominator, you will always get a number which is made of 9s and zeros. How can you get 1001 in the denominator? There is no way in which you can get 1001. Similarly, you cannot get 997 in the denominator. Okay, I will eliminate C also, because here if I have 2357, ultimately something will be subtracted from this and it will not remain 2357. Okay, so this also I will be eliminating to get my answer D. Okay, which is why it can be done in, could have been done in 2 seconds. Okay, but if you solve it also, it will take you 15 seconds. Okay, but then 13 seconds. Okay, if you save 13 seconds and you do that for 10 questions, okay, you would probably be doing 1 question extra, 1 more question in the given time. Any doubt? If you are enjoying the session, please do like it and share it with your friends. Share it with your enemies as well. Okay. All right. Of course. Question, answer D. What about this one? Question 7. Can be done in? Tell me. 3 seconds. I'm wrong. Okay, can actually be done in a second. Question number 7. Third term of a geometric progression is 4. The product of the first 5 terms is, tell me fast. Come on. Question number 7. So to nahi gaye. Come on, wake up. Alright, third term of a geometric progression is 4. The product of the first 5 terms is. Sarthak is saying B. Alok Kumar is also saying B. Ashutosh Pandey is saying B. Utkarsh Srivastav is saying B. Okay. Any other answer? Anyone? Ram Pratap Singh is also saying. RPS is also saying B. That cricketer, RP Singh, acha, he was not Ram Pratap Singh. He was Rudra Pratap Singh. Okay. Alright. Sairam is getting A. Okay. Arjun Mahajan has got B. Abhinav Anurag has also got B. So except for one person, Sairam, everyone else has got B. Everyone else has got B. And we are going to invest a bit of time here on this question. Okay, Abhinav Anurag is saying A ka power 5, R square ka power 5. Okay, it can be done in 1 second. The numbers are in geometric progression. Okay, there are 5 numbers which are in geometric progression. Okay, if there are 5 numbers in geometric progression, the middle term will be their geometric mean. So their geometric mean is 4. So product of all these numbers would be 4 raised to the power 5. Why do I have to think about it? My point is that if there are 5 numbers, okay, let's say AR square, AR cube, and AR to the power 4. These are the 5 numbers. The numbers are themselves in a GP. So what is the geometric mean? Geometric mean will be the middle term. If there are 5 numbers which are themselves in a geometric progression, the geometric mean will be the middle term. Okay, so what will be the product of all these terms? It would be their geometric mean whole raised to the power 5. Similarly here, your answer would be geometric mean is 4. There are 5 terms, 4 to the power 5 over. Okay, so ideal time to do this question is 1 second. By the time you finish reading the question, you should have the answer. Okay, 1. Another way of doing it. Look, Alok is also suggesting something. He's saying just plug 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. I read you and understand what you're trying to say, Alok. Alok is saying that put 1, 2, 4, okay, 8 and 16. Okay, these are 5 numbers. These are 5 numbers in a GP 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Right. Alok Kumar, why are you saying 32 also? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Why are you getting 32? Okay. Now here also you can straight away check. That third term of a geometric progression is 4. The product of the first 5 terms. Okay, just take the product of all this. What are you going to get? 8 into 8. Okay, 64, which is 4 cube into 4 square, 4 to the power 5. But why should even this be needed? Why should even this be needed? It shouldn't be needed. Shouldn't be needed. If there are 5 terms, if there are 5 numbers which are in a GP themselves, the third term, the middle term, okay, the median term, whatever you call it, is the geometric mean itself. That raised to the power number of terms is the answer. Alright? Okay. One more thing here. Otherwise also, right, the way Alok suggested, you could have taken, okay, 4 by a square, 4 by a, okay, 4, 4a and 4a square. This way also, of course, you are going to get 4 to the power 5. This is another way of looking at it, okay, but that should not be needed. Please understand one thing. If I take 3 numbers, okay, 1, 2 and 4, which are in a GP, what is the geometric mean of these 3 numbers? First of all, what is geometric mean? Product of these numbers, okay, raised to the power 1 by n, where n is total number of terms. Okay, so what will be the product of these numbers? The product of these numbers would be the geometric mean, which is the middle term, okay, raised to the power 3, total number of terms, over. Okay, alright. Any doubt? Let's do one question based on an AP here now. Okay, one question based on an AP. Let's say second term of an AP is 10. Okay, and ninth term of this AP is 30. Please tell me the sum of the first 10 terms. Please tell me the sum of the first 10 terms and do that fast. The second term of an AP is 10 and the ninth term is 30. Please tell me the sum of the first 10 terms and tell me fast. Yes, Abhinav. Yes, certainly. पढ़ना होगा, बिल्कुल पढ़ें आप. Alright? In an AP, the second term is 10. Mind you, I'm saying this is an AP. Alright? And the ninth term is 30. What will be the sum of the first 10 terms? You shouldn't be needing to put pen or pencil on paper. You should be able to get it in a jiffy. Come on. Tell me fast. Ashutosh Pandey is saying 200. Okay. Any other answer? Come on, I've asked you such a simple question. Okay, you have to appear for CAT after 97.5 days. Alok Kumar is also saying 200. Okay, and others have fled the scene. Where are you, rest of you? Mayank, Soumya, Nikita, Abhinav. Abhinav Anurag is saying 40 into 5, 200. Okay. Utkarsh is also getting 200. All right. Most of you are getting the right answer, or all of you are getting the right answer. Abhinav Anurag, if I do 2a plus 9d, okay, I'm gone. This is the second term from the left. This is the second term from the right. Okay, so the average of these two numbers will be the average of all the 10 numbers. Okay, so average of 30 and 10 is 20. Total number of tens is 10. So 20 into 10 is 200. Okay, mind you, T2 is the second term from the left. Okay, T9 is the second term from the right because it's just before T10. Alright, so average of these two numbers will be the average of all the 10 numbers because the numbers are themselves in an AP. Okay, so the arithmetic mean of these 10 numbers would be 30 plus 10 by 2, that is 20. So their sum would be 20 into 10, which is 200. Any doubt? Okay, so this is analogous to, okay, this is analogous to question number 7, what I just asked you. Okay, if there are 5 terms which are themselves in a GP, the geometric mean is the third term. If there are 5 terms which are themselves in an AP, okay, the middle term, okay, is the average of all the numbers, period. Any doubt? I expected you to get the answers, both the answers in a jiffy. Alright, so let's move to the next one. Of course, here the answer is B. Please do this. If 3 digits, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3 and 4 sit side by side, the number of 7-digit numbers formed by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 without using any digit more than once is. This is the first theta question of the day. The first non-MCQ of the day. Please do it. Repetition not allowed. Repetition of correct answers is allowed. Here while doing this question, repetition of the numerals is not allowed. Okay? Alright. Sarthak is saying 192. Okay, this time I will be telling you very fast if your answer is incorrect. Alright, 192 is incorrect. 192 is incorrect. Sarthak, try again. And I want to get the correct answer from at least 5 of you. Then only I will proceed. Okay. Not many people are getting the answers. Okay, forget right or wrong. Okay, people are not even getting the answers. Alok Kumar is getting 576. Ankut Verma is also getting 576. Okay, Mayank Mishra is getting 442. Mayank is getting 442. Ashutosh Pandey is getting 576. Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer? Anyone? Any other answer? RP Singh is getting 576. All right, let's do it. And let me tell you the correct answer. 576 is indeed the correct answer. What is there to be done? 0, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4 have to be side by side, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and then you're left with 5 and 6. 5 and 6. How many entities do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have to keep them together, mind you. Okay, so let's look at this. This place cannot be filled with 0. It can be filled in 4 ways. Okay, out of the 5 things you have used 1. So the second place can also be filled in 4 ways. Then next one 3 ways. This 2 and whatever is left will be put here. Okay, so this gives you how much? 16 into 3, 48 into 2, 96. Okay, then there is one more thing. 2, 3 and 4 among themselves, they can be arranged in factorial 3 ways. Okay, so your answer is 96 into 6, which is 576. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, so let's move to the next question. I'm sure all of you can do it. Okay, and those people who did not get the right answer can get the right answer now. Okay, let's do this question, and we are going to stay here on this question for some good time. What's the answer? Question number 9. In a question paper, there are 6 questions and each question has an alternative. Okay, so if you have question A, you will have question A dash as well. Of A and A dash, you would be doing just one. The number of ways in which a student can select at least 3 questions. So you can do 3 questions or 4 questions or 5 questions or 6 questions. Okay, each and every question has an alternative. Okay, but there is no alternative to hard work. Okay, for how many hours are you going to work in the remaining 97.5 days? Filhal, answer bataiye. Get me the answer. Tell me the correct answer. Okay, we have one answer, 656. RP Singh is also getting 656. Ankut is getting 656. Okay. And anyone else? Okay, let's start doing it together. Let's start doing it together. Shall we? Let us wait for probably 2 more answers. Okay, Alok Kumar is also getting 656. So everyone is getting 656. Okay, any other answer? Any other answer? Any other answer? Anyone? Okay, all right. Let's do it together. Ritesh Jha is getting 64. Okay, let's say these 6 questions are A and A dash. Okay, similarly B and B dash. Okay, C dash. Okay, D and D dash. There's almost a tongue twister. E dash. Okay, and F dash. So there can be many ways in which this question can be done. Okay, Utkarsh is also getting 656. Shivam Saurabh is also getting 656. Okay, but anyway, now the number of ways in which a student can do at least 3 questions. So of A, B, C, D, E, F, in how many ways can you select 3? You can select 3 out of 6 in 6 C 3 ways. Okay, But in each of the cases, let's say you have selected A, C and D. Of A and A dash, you can do just one. Okay, of C and C dash, you can get just one. Of D and D dash, again you can do just one. So it would be 6C3 into 2Q. Similarly, when it comes to doing 4 questions, exactly 4. Okay, it would be 6C4 into 2 to the power 4. Okay, when it comes to doing 5, you will do 6C5 into 2 to the power 5. Okay, when it comes to doing all 6 questions, for each one of the questions, okay, you would have 2 choices. Okay, so that can be done in straight away 2 to the power 6 ways. So if you get the sum of all these, okay, if you take the sum of all these, you're going to get 656. Okay, I'm sure most of you have done it this way. This is a very mediocre way of doing this question. Okay, this is a very mediocre way of doing this question. Okay, I do not suggest this method. Okay, this is a very mediocre way of doing this question. But let's be honest, how many of you did it using this way? Come on, honest, let's be honest. How many of you did it exactly like this, the way I did it now? Please type in your response. Then only I'm going to give you the shortcut. Not many people are saying now. Okay, then you tell me the shortcut, please. Tell me the shortcut. Not many people are coming up with any shortcut. Mayank Mishra is saying, sir, exclusion se nahi hoga. That is exactly what I'm asking you people. Can we get the correct answer using exclusion? Can we? Okay, Alok Kumar is honest. He's saying I did it this way only. All right. Let's see if we can do it using exclusion. All right. So let's say we have A and A dash, B, B dash, okay, C, C dash, D, D dash, E, E dash, okay, and F dash. For in how many ways can you attack this set? 3 ways. Either you will do A or you will do A dash. You cannot do both, or you will do none. So total number of ways of attempting question. This set can be attempted in 3 ways. This can be attempted in 3 ways. Each one of the sets can be attempted in 3 ways. So total number of attempts would be 3 to the power 6, which is 729. Okay, why? Because you look at A and A dash. Either you do only A, or you do only A dash, or you do none. Can there be a 4th way? No. So total number of ways of doing all these 6 sets would be 3 to the power 6, which is 729. What you have to do, at least 3. You have to do at least 3 questions. So you cannot do exactly 1 and exactly 2. In how many ways can you do exactly 1? Okay. Any one out of these 6. Okay. Any one out of these 6. And then you will have the alternative also. I'm saying that you can select any one of these 6. Okay. In 6 ways. And then let's say you select this one. You can do either B or B dash. So 6 into 2, 12. Okay. In how many ways can you do none? None of these questions. That is 1. So number of ways in which doing 0 questions is 1. Number of ways of doing 1 question is 12. Okay. And number of ways of doing 2 questions. Okay. Again 62. 62 is 15. Alright. And then in the first set, any of the 2. In the second set, any of the 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So 15 into 4, 60. So 60 and 12, 72 and 1, 73. So take out 73 from here. Okay, you will get 656. All right. Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? So here in this particular case, okay, total number of methods is 3 to the power 6. That is all that you needed to keep that in mind. Okay, and this technique will come quite handy. Okay, any question, anyone? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, it appears that we do not have many doubtful people here. Okay, so let's move to the next one then. Of course, 656, only 656. Okay, what's the answer here? In the next 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to do the remaining 3 questions. Tell me very fast. What's the answer here? This is a very simple question. You're welcome, Arjun Mahajan. Please put your best foot forward. Gradeup is there for you and will keep coming to you with wonderful sessions. All right. The number of ways in which 9 different books can be divided equally among 3 students is, this is a very simple question. Okay, this is a very simple question. Sarthak Badlas is saying C. Sarthak, what is the percentage of people in your contact who mispronounce your surname? And when they do that, do you mind it? All right, responses fast. 2 people, Sarthak and Ashutosh, they both have got C. Okay. Shivam Saurav is saying explain once more. Shivam, please do watch the video once the session gets over. All right. Mayank Mishra is saying 9C3 into 6C3. Sarthak Badlas is a very honest person. Okay. You're so nice. Such a gentle person. Okay. Yes, of course. Here, mind you, you don't have to commit one particular blunder here. Okay. In fact, I wanted to change one of these options, okay, to trap you. Okay. And I will tell you what. So let's say these 3 people are P1, P2, and P3. There are 9 books. In how many ways can you give 3 books to P1? 9C3 ways. How many books are you left with? 6. In how many ways can you give 3 books to P2? 6C3. Whatever 3 books are left, okay, will all go to P3. So 9C3 into 6C3 is your answer. So 1680 is your answer. Okay. Or straight away you could have done factorial 9 divided by factorial 3, factorial 3, factorial 3. Okay. There is one more thing. I told you that I wanted to put, okay, one incorrect options here. I wanted probably 504 to be replaced with, I wanted to do 1680 divided by 3 factorial. Okay, 1680 divided by 3 factorial, that is 6. That would give you what? 280. Okay, one of the options should ideally have been 280. Then many of you would have gone for this. Okay, when will 280 would be the answer? Let's say I straight away ask you to divide these 9 different 9 books in 3 groups of 3 each. Then the answer would be 280. If I ask you to divide these 9 books in 3 groups of 3 each, then the answer would be 280. Alright, because you will do 9C3 into 6C3, but as the groups are non-distinguishable, you would be dividing it by 3 factorial. But that is certainly not the case here. So do not commit that blunder. If this question appears in CAT, 99% chance that one of the options would be 280 and many of you will fall prey to it. Okay? Any doubt? Alright. So here of course the answer is C, 1680. Let's move to question number 11. The number 15 is to be divided into 2 parts such that the square of one multiplied with the cube of the other is maximum. The parts are? Tell me fast about the parts. Yes guys, what's the answer here? Jai Hind, Jitendra Singh ji. Sarthak is saying B. Okay. All right. Any other answer? It appears that Pranab Pant is completely lost in watching the test match. Jinay Shah is asking, sir, if we start today, can we crack CAT? Why not? You're left with 97 days. Do you see 970 hours? Okay. Irrespective of your level of preparedness, if you have that junoon in you, all right, you can certainly do it. Why not? There is absolutely no reason why it cannot be done. Okay. It's cat and not a tiger. Okay. All right. Good that Pakistan has lost 8 wickets now. Okay. Of course, I'm a British tonight. I want England to win. Okay. Jitendra Singh is saying B, confirm. Okay. Mayank Mishra is saying AM, GM inequality. Okay. All right. Jinesh Shah, since I do not know, okay, your expertise are different sections. Okay, so it would be difficult for me to probably create a schedule to you. Okay, you write a mail to me at vijay.jha@gradeup.co. I will certainly respond and I will respond fast. Okay. All right, Pradapat is writing that he is watching this session as well. Okay. Now here one of the ways is multiplied with the cube of the other. So here let's do it. 10 cube, 5 square. What do you get? 25,000. Okay. If you do 9 cube, 729. Okay, into 6 square, 36. Okay. You get more than 25,000. So first of all, this of course is not the answer. 87512 into 49. Okay. This will be very close to 25,000. Okay. Should be slightly bigger. Okay. So of course, this is not the answer. This is not the answer. So even if I do not know anything related to, okay, AMGM, I can still get the answer. I can still eliminate options A and C. Because option B will give me, in case of option B, the product will be more than the product which you get in options A and C. Okay. All right. But otherwise, how do you do it? This is given that A plus B, let's say that the parts are A and B. A plus B are equal to 15. Okay. And then we are being told that the cube of one multiplied with the square of the other. So can I write it like this? A by 3 plus A by 3 plus A by 3. Okay. Plus B by 2 plus B by 2 equal to 15. Mind you, sum of 5 different things is 15. The product would be maximum. In the product, you will get A cube and B square. Okay, whatever you're getting there in the denominator, okay, is a constant, so that does not matter. Okay, if can I put it like this? A plus B equal to 15. A by 3 plus A by 3 plus A by 3 plus B by 2 plus B by 2 equal to 15. Now for this A cube into B square to be maximum, okay, all these parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 of them need to be equal. And if they are all equal, A by 3, okay, A by 3, okay, will be equal to 3 and B by 2 will be equal to 3 only. So A has to be 9 and B has to be 6. I do not need to go further. Okay, I do not need to go further. Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? Okay. All right. Now, thanks Alok. Okay. All right. So let's move to the next question then. Suyash Gupta is saying how to solve geometry, sir. Okay, तो आपकी सेवा में, okay, we are coming with a question on geometry now. Only in your service. Question number 12. ABCD is a convex quadrilateral. The diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. The areas of AOB and COD are 4 cm square and 9 cm square respectively. The minimum possible area of the quadrilateral is. What's your answer? What's your answer? Tell me fast. Yes, guys. The answer this time, of course, the assumption is that whosoever has come to watch this session, okay, has solved all these questions in advance. Okay, Ashutosh Pandey is saying 25. Okay, Alok, we will discuss that. Pranab Pant is saying 25. Okay. Anyone else? Ram Pratap Singh is also saying 25 centimeters square. Okay. Dibu Jain is saying, please tell me, can. Dibu, what? Ankut Verma is also saying 25. Alright. Answer is 25 indeed. Look, this is your quadrilateral. Please keep one thing in mind. That in any quadrilateral, okay, if you join the diagonals, you get 4 parts. Let's say area of this part is A, area of this part is B, area of this part is C, and area of this part is D. Okay, in any quadrilateral, okay, if the areas of these 4 parts, and mind you, I'm saying areas, then it has a property. A into B is always equal to C into D. And this can be proved very easily. Okay. Look at the triangles ADO and DOC. Okay. Here the base is AO and here the base is OC. Okay. So area of ADO divided by area of DOC, okay, will ultimately be equal to AO divided by OC. And you know why? Because the perpendicular is common. Similarly, when you look at these two triangles, okay, the ratio of the areas of triangle ABO and BOC would be again the ratio AO is to OC. From there, you can easily get that in any quadrilateral, if you join the diagonals, okay, you first of all get four triangles. Area product of the areas of the opposite triangles remain constant. A into B will be C into D. Any doubt, anyone? Dibu Jain is saying, sir, please tell me, am I eligible for CAT exam? First of all, this CAT, common admission test, or not CAT exam. I'm final year student, but my second year result has not come for COVID. I believe you can apply. Okay. Now here in the question, this is given that this area, okay, is 9 and this area is 4. Do not go by the accuracy of the figure. Let's say area of this is A and area of this is B. So A into B will be what? 36. Why 36? 4 into 9. Okay. A into B will be 36. And if product of A and B is 36, the minimum sum of AB will be what? When A is equal to B is equal to 6. So the minimum of A plus B will be 12. So if minimum sum of A and B is 12, and this is 9 and this is 4, their minimum area is 13 plus 12, 25. Any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? Okay. Now Pranav has been asking for a long time that assured, okay, always leave you with a question. Okay, this is a simple question. I expect each one of you to put the correct answer to this question in the comment section. Okay, once the live session gets over, okay, you have to put the correct answer in the comment section. How many factors of the number 2020 are a multiple of 10? This is year 2020. I'm sure if you write 3 or 4 exams, okay, management entrance exams, in one of the exams you would be asked something on 2020. So how many factors of the number 2020 are a multiple of 10? Come on, do it fast. Not now. The response has to be put in the comment. Okay. All right. Suyash Gupta is saying 4. All right, but I'm not concerned about the right answer here. Okay. Now, what Gradeup has for you? It of course has super subscription. Okay. And in that subscription, you have this core 99 plus course, a comprehensive course for CAT 2020. And who are the teachers? Jatin Agrawal, okay, Vikas Dahiya, Savitri Krishnamurthy, Ashish Tiwari, Sanojam Dasabanta, and Pranav, all of them, without any exception, okay, are great in their areas. Okay. And of course, this is something we have already talked about. Subscribe to Gradeup Super, unlimited access to all structured live courses and mock tests. Okay, complete doubt resolution, expert faculty members. Okay. All right, what else? What are the courses available in this subscription at this stage? Score 99 plus, a comprehensive course for CAT 2020 batch 3. Oh, this is the third batch. Okay. CAT 2020, a retakers batch. So if you have taken CAT in the past, okay, and you wish to take it again, so of course, this is expected that you would have some level of expertise. All right. So this is for you. What else? Green card for the MBA exams. We sell so many green cards. Okay. That I presume that you're already aware of its existence. Okay. Only for 2,500 rupees. But unfortunately, our green card does not take you to the US of A. Okay. It takes you to the top MBA institutes in India. What else? Prep smart, score better. Go Gradeup.